How to add friends in Lost Light. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily add friends in Lost Light game. So the first thing to do is to open up your Lost Light application on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the two human icons at the bottom center. You'll then come to your friends list. This is where you'll be able to see all of your friends that you've added. To add a new friend, go to the add button on the top left, and then from the suggested list, you can also add friends from the same list. Click on the add button right under the player that has been suggested to you. Soon after you click on add, you'll be able to send the friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, you'll be friends in the game. To add a new player, by typing down their player name or ID, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of your friend or their player ID. If you've typed in the correct player ID or player name, the person will be displayed in the search result. From there, you can tap the add button like I previously showed in order to add them as your friend. So that's how you easily send friend requests or add friends in the game. Once your friend accepts the invite, you both are connected in the game. So there you have it. Now you know how to add friends in Lost Light. Teaming up makes raids much more fun, easier, and way more exciting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.